Digital twin is a virtual representation of a product, process, or system, and one of the hottest solutions being talked about within manufacturing. Digital twin enables real-time visibility as well as simulation. Omdia surveyed manufacturers across 6 industries, and the most important factors when considering business value and return on investment for digital twin were revenue growth, cost savings, and improved efficiency, with these amassing over 40% of responses, followed by sustainability, hyper-automation, and the need for better insights and visibility of operations, which were just beneath 40%. Sustainability, as one example, represents a massive opportunity to leverage digital twin capabilities to achieve sustainability objectives. Specifically, things such as waste, design and engineering, both in greenfield plants, but with the right approach at brownfield facilities, which are archaic, and that step change in improvements will have a greater impact on the world we live in. Omdia projects investment into digital twin solutions to rapidly accelerate as sustainability becomes a driver of investment decisions.